Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over just a brief tutorial on how to do the double crochet increase, as well as the double crochet decrease. This is in preparation for a video that I'll be releasing this next Tuesday on the dish scrubby pattern. So I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to do these stitches so that you can use it if you want to follow along on that tutorial as well. So I have my row of double crochets here just prepped and ready so that we can work into them. Typically, if I'm going to be working on flat rows just back and forth, I'm going to be chaining up 2 for my double crochet. Some people choose to chain up 3. It's all personal preference. It depends on how you hold your tension. If you hold your tension tighter, you might want to do 3. So to do a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over again, pull it back through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through the remaining 2. That is a double crochet. So again, that's yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull it back through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. So that's a double crochet. Pretty standard there. If a pattern calls for you to do a double crochet increase, all it's saying is to do 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So we're going to do first double crochet, second double crochet in that same exact stitch, and that is a double crochet increase. Now the double crochet decrease is slightly different. For a double crochet decrease, you're going to yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull it back through, yarn over, go through your first 2 loops, and then leave these 2 loops still on the hook and start as if you're about to do another double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull back out, yarn over, go through 2, and then you should have 3 loops left on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 of those. So this is what a double crochet decrease looks like. You have part of your stitch starting in that first portion, and part of your stitch is in the second portion, and then it all combines to 1 stitch up at the top. So again, we're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, insert into the next portion of the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through the last remaining 3. So that's the decrease again. So there you have it. That's the increased double crochet as well as the decreased double crochet. These stitches are going to be used commonly in anything that has either a wave or a shell. The increases will make it kind of fan out, and the decreases will pull it back in. If you have any questions about this particular stitch, or if you want to see other stitches shown in a future tutorial, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.